Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a mouth-watering tofu burger that's perfect for vegetarians and anyone looking for a healthier burger alternative. So let's get started. Heat olive oil in a pan, add chopped onions and saute till soft. Once slightly brown, add garlic and ginger paste. Give a good mix and cook further for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add chopped capsicum. Mix. Cook till oil separates on the sides. Let's add in seasoning now. Add garam masala powder, then black pepper powder. Mix it well on low heat. Then add grated tofu. Give a good mix till it combines well. Then add chopped coriander and green chilies if using. Adjust salt to taste. Mix evenly and cook the tofu mixture for 5 minutes on medium heat. Then add sesame seeds. Mix till well combined. Add in breadcrumbs to bind this delicious mix. Check if it's ready by dropping a spoonful of mix like this. If it doesn't break, it has binded well. If not, add 2 to 3 spoons of breadcrumbs and mix it well. Switch off heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Once at room temperature, check the consistency of burger patties. It has retained its shape and it's good to go. Keep aside. Now let's make slurry. To make slurry, take all-purpose flour and corn flour in a bowl. Add salt and mix evenly. Start adding water and make a semi-thick paste, ensuring there are no lumps. This is perfect. Now let's make our tofu patties. Take about 60 grams of the mix and form into a burger sized patty. Shape all the patties. Our patties are done. They look absolutely yummy. Keep aside. Now it's time to bread it with breadcrumbs. Dip carefully each patty in slurry and coat it with breadcrumbs. Just like this. Make all the patties. Tofu patties are done, and now it is time to fry them. Heat oil in a vessel on medium heat. Once hot, start frying tofu patties in small batches. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown and crispy. Looks done. Tofu patties have beautiful golden color. So let's remove. Fry all patties like this and keep aside. To make mayonnaise, take hung curd, add in chopped coriander, salt to taste, some chaat masala powder and grated beetroot. Mix everything well. Such a beautiful color, isn't it? Delicious. So mayonnaise is ready too. Let's see what other elements we need. Mint chutney, chili garlic sauce. You can use ketchup as well. Onions and tomatoes. And crispy lettuce. It's time to assemble. Arrange buns and spread mint chutney on one side of bun. Put cream cheese on the other side or any cheese spread of your choice. Arrange it on one side of bun. Add generous spoon of beetroot mayonnaise. Then add tomato slice, onion ring, and a good spoonful of sweet chili garlic sauce. Then add lettuce. You can add a slice of your favorite cheese too. And we are done. Tasty and mouth-watering homemade tofu burgers are ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with your favorite side dish. This tofu burger is packed with flavor, protein, and deliciousness. It's super easy to make. Serve it with fries and sweet potato chips. Enjoy it with family and friends. And don't forget to share this amazing recipe with your friends and family. If you have liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one.